An unpaid order is a drop-off ticket the customer hasn't fully settled yet, most clear at the counter when the customer comes back to pay. For the ones paid another way, a bank transfer or a Gcash send, the dashboard can record the payment without a trip to the register. Click Orders under Sales in the sidebar to open the page. Set the payment filter to Unpaid to list only the orders that still owe money. Each row carries a red Unpaid badge in the payment column. Click an unpaid order to open its detail page, where the Actions panel lets you settle it. Click Mark as Paid. Use this when the customer already paid you a non-cash way and you just need the order to reflect it. Pick the payment method the customer used. The list shows your non-cash methods only, like Gcash and bank transfer. Click Mark as Paid to confirm. The order flips to paid, and a receipt is recorded for the full total, so the sale shows in your reports and credits loyalty points like a counter sale. Heads up, Mark as Paid needs the sign-in to dashboard permission held by the owner, admin, and manager roles. It records non-cash payments only. For cash, or to collect the balance on a deposit, settle the order at the POS register instead.